Hello again and welcome to another video with the Mk3 Golf. And yeah, the car's looking quite nice now, and quite a bit to it to get it looking nice. But one thing that definitely lets it down is these rear bumpers. And as you can see, they've faded quite badly. Got a lot of swirl marks on them and whatever, and they certainly let the car down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try some treatment. Now, I've been given this by a neighbour of mine, very good of him, said, why don't you try this? And I've not heard of this stuff. I don't know if anybody out there has tried it, but yeah, it seems to, I've tried a little bit, it seems to do the trick. Goes on, leaves quite a waxy finish, but yeah, certainly brings the colour back. So let's put some on and see what it looks like. So I'm going to put some on the cloth. Don't think you need too much. And let's just try. And it seems to go on quite easily. And there you can see the difference straight away. Brings back the blackness. Like I say, it's quite a waxy feel to it as it goes on. So I don't think you need to put it on too thick. Just a nice thin layer like that, and just rub it over gently. And yeah, that seems to improve the appearance quite considerably. And in true time-honoured fashion, I'm going to show you one that I did earlier, and that was done about 3 or 4 hours ago, and it's dried down quite nicely, and yeah, certainly looks the part. So hopefully it'll stand the test of time. So let's get the rest done and see what it looks like. So there we go, all finished, and yeah, that certainly makes a big improvement over the previous look of the bumpers. It certainly brought the colour back to it. Yeah, quite pleased with that. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice little summer's evening job to restore your early 90s car bumpers, that's something well worth doing. I don't know whether it will stand the test of time. We'll have a look, see what it's like in the middle of October. But yeah, this is a product. I'm not able to put a link, unfortunately, because somebody very kindly gifted it to me, so I don't know where you get it from, but I'm sure if you do the usual research you'll find that out. But yeah, it certainly seems to work. I don't know if it's expensive or either. It could be. Seems to be a good quality product anyway, and it certainly definitely does what it says on the tin, as they say. So there you go, managed to get the front ones done as well. And that certainly brings old 33-year-old plastic back to life. Just put a bit on the mirrors and the side trims as well. But yeah, very pleased with that. Seems to go on well. It's worth wearing gloves though, because it's a bit waxy, so you don't want it getting all over your fingers. So wear a decent pair of gloves. But yeah, pleased with that. Looks good. Certain massive improvement on what it looked like before. So there you go, hope that helps. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.